How to scan QR code on Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, let's walk through the process of scanning a QR code within the Roblox application. So when you launch and open the Roblox app on your device, you will be presented with the main interface. Once you're in the home page on Roblox, tap on the profile icon from the top left corner of the screen. This is the gateway to accessing your personal profile details and settings. Go ahead and tap on your profile icon to proceed. Now, once you've successfully navigated to your profile section, direct your attention to the bottom left hand corner of the screen, and here you will find a specific icon dedicated to QR codes. So this QR code icon is what you will use to both display your own QR code and to initiate the scanning process for other QR codes as well. Simply tap on the QR code to continue, and upon tapping the icon, your own unique QR code associated with your profile will be prominently displayed, allowing others to easily scan it and connect with you. Now, if your intention is to scan a QR code belonging to someone else, you'll want to locate the Scan Now option. And once you've granted all the appropriate permissions, you will be able to effortlessly scan the QR code presented to you. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.